We are starting new project on Box Hill. I want to show you how you can build the timber retaining wall on this project. First we set the line for the boundary, how the wall will goes, and also we dig and clean and set the line for the side. You can see it's 1.5 from the house. We have a garden bed front of the retaining wall and the height is 800. We take some of the topsoil to be level by the retaining wall. Now the first step is set the line on the find where you want to build the wall and then mark it and start to dig the hole. This wall 800 high by the timber, it will be every 1.5 meter post, and we find 2 posts for the stairs going up, and then we going from the stairs post to the site and to find it how long will be. Okay, now after leveling and setting the line, finding the holes part, digging the hole 850 by 45 diameter is a dig hole. Guys, excavation done yesterday and everything's clean up. The soil move out. We move the new soil underlay, turf underlay for covering and leveling the turf area, flush to the wall, a little bit down to sit the new grass, and then a slope is smooth to under the edge for all this turf area. And then I have to fill back the backfill by the organic garden mix soil. We order it from A&L and we lay and fill up the gardens, also the garden in the back. So guys, job completed. Front yard, council area, garden, timber garden edge, and the pathway, step stones, and the gate. As you can see, the pathway, that's the gate. Fence, timber, a slipper under the fence, timber retaining wall 800 height, clothesline, step stone, garden, the timber retaining wall, it's all completed, and also the stairs. As you can see, it looks nice and tidy. Also all going to the end. The fan side is just the pebbles, and timber retaining wall, drainage, and fence. Thank you for watching us, and please like and share our videos. Also subscribe to support us. Thank you. See you in the next project.